Hello, this is Josh Bastine for Cocra University, and this video is going to be about how to find and navigate CobraStop. To get there, you simply go to webadvisor.cocra.edu and then log in with this button right here. I'm already logged in, so it says log out, but it'll say log in. Once you do, you'll be redirected back to this page, and you click on Students, and then near the top, Link to CobraStop. This will open in a new tab and you'll see all of these things. Now, if you're a student, you obviously won't see employee or faculty or things like that, but you'll see most of these. And as you can see, there are several different options for you to go through here. So first is financial aid, if you just click on that. Now, this initially might take a little bit of time to load, but mine loaded pretty quickly. And on this page, you'll see all of your financial aid documents. You'll see your loan history. You'll see all kinds of stuff. So this is where you will go to see all of your financial aid stuff. Now, over here on the left, you have a navigation bar, and you can click to navigate throughout, or you can just click home to get back to this screen. So I'm going to go over here to academics, because this is the one you're probably going to use the most. You can click here to check your grades. Well, it looks like it has my grades all the way back through my master's. Cool. So you can click there to check your grades, and you can click on these to see the drop down. And it'll show you your grades. This one, I simply audited the class, so I didn't get any credit, but if you did actually take the class, it'll show it there. You can click here to see all of the student planning options. You can get an unofficial transcript. You can do all kinds of stuff from in there. You can see your graduation overview, but the important one is course catalog. If you click there, you can look at all the upcoming courses. You can search by a subject, or you can just click the subject. So let's do education, curriculum, and instruction. This is the one I teach in. And you can see all of these courses, and you can add that course to your plan. So you can see that you can limit them over here by days of the week, by time of day, by instructor, academic level. You can limit by all kinds of different things. And that's the course catalog. If we go back over to academics, you can see other options. You can see enrollment verification. You can order your transcripts right there. All kinds of different stuff you can do. You can apply for a leave of absence. So all kinds of different stuff you can do in the academics section. At the bottom, you also have your user options. You can update your emergency information. This view add proxy access does not work. It's not enabled, so don't worry about that. But you can update your emergency information right there. So overall, CobraStop is a wonderful source of information. It's basically a one-stop shop where you can take care of all kinds of business as needed with Cocra University. If you have any questions about CobraStop, please contact your student success coach, or you can email support@cocra.edu if you have any technical issues. Thank you very much. Have a good day.